opportunity for associating with Thane Traffic Police and trying to create some awareness. And as just now Nikhil mentioned, give 1 minute. I think 1 minute of that pause is very important. You can do wonders in those 1 minute. You can avoid a fall if you are mindful. You can avoid some accidents. Most of the accidents are at what you can say, not even a short of 1 minute mistake, and you are rather having an accident. An accident की वजह से जो डिसेबिलिटी यहाँ मॉर्टेलिटी हम बोलते हैं. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट दैट मोमेंट. Thereafter, the patient has to go through disability. I mean, this phase called line of your nervous system. अगर ब्रेन और स्पाइन को कहीं लग जाए या हड्डी को कहीं लग जाए तो पूरा रिपेयर नहीं हो रहा है. You are just like a vehicle, damaged vehicle. You might repair it, but it is now never the same again. So we have to conserve our brain, spine, nerve power as well as our body, definitely. And because we have to contribute to the society in future, and we ourselves do not take care of our health, then it is not possible to give a good quality service to the community. Ultimately, the joy comes from giving to the community. And this road safety is an extension of fall free. So somewhere, as a doctor, we have been going through experiences where the victim or road traffic road accident victim has no opportunity thereafter except for rehabilitation, and he becomes dependent. And that is why I think we have to look at disability prevention. So आपण जर येऊ नये असं काहीतरी आपल्याला लक्ष करावं होतं. आणि त्या अनुषंगाने फॉल फ्री आपण सिनियर सिटीजन्स आणि किड्स कुठे कुठे they are vulnerable. And where they can fall, where they can have accidents and injuries. What kind of injuries can happen to them? And now, road safety. So, I wanted to give a brief, but I think Nikhil already covered major of the points. So, in road safety, it is not just physical things like seat belts. And obviously, seat belts you have to take care. You have to take care of your speed, your gadgets. These are like this. They are taking away your fraction of attention, and even in that fraction, you are liable to have an accident. And also, a daily routine. Daily routine is sleep. If we most of the times say that alcohol or substance abuse driving, they are the most common causes. But more than that, sleep deprived. Sleep deprived drivers are more vulnerable for accidents in addition to alcohol use. So I think your daily routine, not that you have to categorize that accidents happen with only youngsters, rash drivers. It happens with most of the sane people who are with supposedly they are very good at their profession and very designated in their profession. But doesn't mean that same wise person is driving safely. So you have to give a pause every day in the morning as you go out of your house. What is the way you are going to travel, how you are going to drive. You will not use gases, and obviously sleep, as I mentioned. Again, this competition as it's another way of associating with the community where we see such wonderful things, and I am amazed that kids that they come up with such ideas in their 20s that we never imagined. So one round of applause to these kids for bringing up the brilliant ideas and such creative posters. This is just amazing. and I personally am enjoying it. Last time I felt this was first time, but now it has become an habit. Maybe this is one of the carry forward, and we are trying to create a movement, and it turns into a movement of safety for Thane city, safe Thane city. Thank you so much, sir.